Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous fall-inspired tumbler with one of my new templates called Go With The Flow. If you use any of my products or try any of my techniques, make sure you tag Diamonds and Dust or Trina Jacobson on Facebook so I can see your beautiful work as well. We are going to start with the fall leaf knit pattern vinyl, and I already have my template cut out. I am then grabbing a 24-ounce plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. Ignore that mine looks like that. This was a different project I started and ended up sanding off half the paint. I'm going to apply this template by drawing a line down my tumbler vertically, lining up my template to the line on my tumbler and just pressing on with either the palm of my hand or a vinyl squeegee really firmly until the vinyl wraps around. Now you're going to take and remove the sections you want glittered. I removed all three just because there was a piece of vinyl in between each section I wanted to glitter. But if you choose to do this template any different and remove separate sections, if they butt, you're only going to want to remove one section of the template at a time. Now we are going to take a coordinating paint color to our glitter and paint each section in that base. I'm using chalk paint, but you can easily use acrylic paint as well. Now after that first layer is dry, you're going to mix in about a 50-50 ratio to your favorite glitter glue. I'm using Tumbler Epoxy's Epoxy Seal. It's on the thicker side, but once you put it on with your paint mixed in, it's like the perfect consistency, and the adhesion is just so good that when you go to epoxy your tumbler, it doesn't move quite as much. I still seal it, but I still am finding out that it doesn't move as much with the epoxy seal. I'm going to work in a fairly small section, painting that on my tumbler, and then we're going to sprinkle on cider. If you haven't tried my glitter yet, I carry that soft, super sparkly premium glitter at a fraction of the cost, so make sure you check out my Etsy shop. We are going to move on to the next section and our next glitter color. This one is called Flannel. It has to be one of my top sellers around the fall time, and it is definitely one you're gonna want in your collection. It's also really pretty for kind of like a mulberry Christmas color as well. Moving on to our final glitter color, we are going to be using Dipped. It's a really pretty kind of bronzy gold. Once you have all your glitter applied, don't forget to do the bottom of your tumbler as well. You can pick any of the 3 colors that we already used. I just carried Dipped back onto the bottom because that's where this template kind of ended. We are going to let that dry really, really well, and then we are still going to spray seal this. We are just going to make sure this glitter stays where it needs to stay. I usually do about 2 heavy coats of Rust-Oleum or Krylon's triple thick, and you are going to let that dry fully. Once your sealer is completely dry, we are going to add at least a layer of epoxy. If you're using a thicker epoxy, you can probably get away with 1 coat. If you're using a thinner epoxy like I am today, you are probably going to need 2 coats. We really want a really smooth tumbler to apply our vinyl striping. When you cut out your vinyl striping, don't try to apply it to your tumbler in just one big sweep. Trust me, I've tried that a million times thinking it would be easy, and it's definitely not. If you get off just a smidgen on your pattern, then all your vinyl stripes are wasted and you're trying to pick them up and then they don't lay flat. Just trust me on this, okay? So just pick up one at a time and gently just kind of follow the pattern of the stripe or the section that you're laying the striping on. Once you have all of your vinyl striping laid down, go ahead and take your tumbler back over to your turner and add your final layers of epoxy. And here is your gorgeous fall tumbler all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching.